Good day, everyone. By the way, I am Princess Indiclaire Emergia, and today I am going to present to you the answers of my problem sets in Calculus 2. We are now here in the other indeterminate forms. We have item number 18, limit of ln cosine x over ln tangent x, where x approaches to pi over 2. So step 1 is to identify if it is indeterminate or not. So here, I solved them by numerator and denominator to identify if it is indeterminate or not. So we have here the numerator, limit of ln cosine x, where x approaches to pi over 2 negative. So we will apply the limit. We have here ln cosine pi over 2 negative. So pi negatives. Then cosine pi over 2 is 0. So we have ln 0 negative. Since that ln 0 is approaches to infinity, we have here negative infinity. In the denominator, we have limit of ln tangent x, where x approaches to pi over 2 positive. I mean negative. Then we have here ln tangent pi over 2, since we apply now the limit. And we will have ln infinity, because tangent pi over 2 is infinity, so we have here ln infinity. Then ln infinity is infinity. Then we have, now we will have here negative infinity over infinity. This means that it is an indeterminate. The step 2 is to apply the L'Hopital's rule. Since that the limit is indeterminate, we will apply the L'Hopital's rule. For the numerator, we need to derive first the numerator and then the denominator. So the derivative of ln cosine x is equals to negative sine x over cosine x is equals to negative tangent x. For the denominator, we have here ln tangent x is equals to 1 over tangent x, where 1 over tangent x is equals to secant squared x. I mean 1 over tangent x times secant squared x is equals to secant squared x over tangent x. Then we will plug in all the values. So we have here limit of negative tangent x over secant squared x over tangent x, where x approaches to pi over 2. And then we will simplify. We have here negative tan we will multiply this. So we have here negative tangent x times tangent x over secant squared x. Then we will simplify. We will get, to simplify the negative tangent squared x over secant squared x is, we will get first here in the tangent squared x is equals to sine squared x over cosine squared x. And our second here, secant squared x is equals to 1 over cosine x. So we will get tangent squared x over, negative tangent squared x over secant squared x is equals to sine squared x over cosine squared x over 1 over cosine squared x. Then we will cancel out the cosine squared x from the numerator and then the denominator. So we will get negative sine squared x. So we will have here the limit of negative sine squared x, where x approaches to pi over 2. Then we will apply the limit. We will get sine squared pi over 2. Then sine squared pi over 2 is equals to negative 1. So we have now here the value of negative 1. So the value of the value of limit of ln cosine x over ln tangent x, where x approaches to pi over 2 is negative 1.